Let's learn how to write some common words in Punjabi. I is main. Main. Ma plus Dalam plus Bindi. Main. For the following three words, he, she, and it, one word can be used. O. 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 Next, we will cover you. There's a formal way to say you, which is ਤੁਸੀਂ, or an informal way to say you, which is ਤੂੰ. ਤੁਸੀਂ should be used if you're speaking to someone older than you. ਤੂੰ can come across as disrespectful, so it should only be used with friends or someone younger than you. The, u, sa, e, tu, sim, the, u, tum. My is mera or meri. Mera. Consonant m, vowel lam, consonant r, vowel kanna. M plus a makes me. R plus a makes ra. Mera. In feminine terms, my is meri. Consonant m plus the vowel a makes me. Consonant r plus the vowel e, ri. Meri. Let's cover your or yours. Two ways to say this word. The formal way and the respectful way is ਤੁਹਾਡਾ. The informal way to say your or yours is ਤੇਰਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੇ ਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ